up guys, welcome to another POV iPhone photography video. It's a beautiful day in London today and we're going to take a walk to the financial district to hopefully capture some cool contrasty shots of the awesome architecture and reflections with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So I'm gonna get low. So in this shot I was really looking at the geometric shapes that draw your eye into the image. Some of the stations in London just look so awesome. I really like the harsh shadows that add extra contrast. These two look cool. This is a cool shot because you have the steps. Get nice and low. Millennium Bridge, that's cool with them sitting down below. You can see in between these two buildings here, you have the London Eye, and then just to the left of that, poking just to the side of this building, you have the Houses of Parliament, and that's because the Thames is kind of curving around this way. And over here on the other side, you have the financial district up here, and then as you go around you have Tower Bridge in the distance there, the Shard, which has cropped up in the last 10-15 years, and over here the Tate Modern, as I said earlier. How lucky are we to get such a beautiful day in London, with everything so visible and beautiful from the Thames. Just reminds me of a little spot in New York. Oh my god. I see people up there cleaning. Okay, so I have been stopped 2 times now. All the security had their eye on me. For some reason I've become very suspicious for filming with my GoPro and taking photos. They're clearly on edge, but this place is insane. Just the skyline. It's amazing that human beings put all this together. Man, that is amazing. Maybe I can do something interesting with the shiny seats. Really think of a better place to perch up and do a bit of work than up here in the London skyline. If you like this video, please subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to be notified for whenever I create another one of these videos. I'm definitely going to create some more videos like this, so stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.